out for a while on everything, we have this whole yard area.
That's right. Yeah. We moved the fire pit. Yeah.
We're porch
I would
sitters,
think you
man.
would prefer to.
Yeah. We just got off the grass and dirt. We're loving the pavement, the oil stains.
Relax a little bit and having all this space out here.
We'll do it. No, you're right. We'll do it. We'll move.
Do it because you're nice.
Well, I mean, I'm not trying to get you out of here. I want y'all to have fun and have a good time. I don't want y'all to not
Have like over 100 beers. The owner of the inn waiting for a beer run, even though this county or whatever is like a drag county. Came and brought us beers. That's Tantrum, half naked. Scott over there, Red, Sling Blade, Creeper, Gerber, and of course Ultimatum with the pink towel on his head. And what was your
Samurai?
Samurai, that's right.
That was all yours. I'll be over there though. I'm going over there.
Ultimatum.
What time did they close? Did you check this out?
On the menu.
Oh, it's 6:06.
Did they close? What time did they close?
Anything I can do to
Talking
like
about eating at some other
look
place.
down at myself, I guess.
Oh my god, I was sitting on chips and salsa. What the heck? What were you thinking?
Are you gonna dress before we go eat steak? Are you gonna
Dress before we eat steak? Hell no. Bring my own sauce.
be just a rain jacket and Crocs?
A rain jacket and some Crocs. But you know what's funny? I did this before I started hiking.
Anyway, I'll be right
I would regularly run out of clothes and have to go eat at a fancy establishment and need something and have to resort to my rain jacket and some Crocs. Like,
Those are pretty nice Crocs. Good thing you didn't send them away.
yeah, I was about to. Red almost talked me out of them. Good times.
I talked you back into them, so it's all
You did,
good.
and I thank you, Sir Daps.
Let me grab my stuff.
Mufasa! I need to do like a
Mufasa.
I know.
I need
I
a
almost
call
fell
or
over in
something.
the shower like a 90-year-old.
Alright, I'm gonna go over to the campfire.
Let's do it.